welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have an Amazon haul. This is everything I got during the Prime sale that went on recently. So these are all the things that I personally purchased. I have baby stuff, a ton of like fashion finds, like from accessories, dupes, all the good stuff, home decor, home items, new bedding, just a little bit of everything, which is my favorite type of Amazon haul to do. So everything will be linked down below. You can check out my Amazon shop for more. Stay tuned for gift guides, giveaways, all the good stuff. Let's get into it. For months I've been seeing people post about these sunglasses, and as someone who is like the queen of dupes, I can't believe I hadn't tried them. I ordered them because they were on sale for $12, and please look at that. I was truly shook because from the original listing picture you wouldn't even know. I don't know if the shape is necessarily like made for me. I feel like it makes my, I don't know, it makes me kind of look like an alien, but they're so chic. What do you think? Can I pull these off or nah? I think it's my nose. I don't know. The point is, they're so chic. They're literally $12, and I think the designer ones are over $2,000, so win in my book. My go-to shoes to wear for like special occasions are these white wedges. It was time to retire those, and I decided to get these because they were on sale during the sale. I went for this neutral camel color, and I love the detailing. It has like this cork wedge. It's suede, and then it also has this really cool rope detailing as well. These look so comfy. They kind of remind me of like the 2017 Mark Fisher wedges, but literally like $29. Comes in different colors, also in different finishes. I think they have like a leather one, they have like a shiny one. I'm really excited. I have a ton of events, baby showers, things going on, so I thought these would be perfect. I'll let you know how comfy they are, but I'm really happy with the quality. I've been loving the fact that scalloped everything is a trend this year. Been seeing these on Amazon. Pack of these really beautiful pillowcases. I will say I am dying for just a blue one because the only blue that they have is blue and pink, and as a pink lover I love it, but as someone who's trying to decorate a boy's room I need the blue. I got the green because I thought it was perfect for the holidays. I thought it would be a great seasonal decor, so I have it in one of our throw pillows in the couch right now. I wanted to show you the other one. And y'all, I'm obsessed. It was $22 total, but you get two, so $11 each. I think Anthropologie sells pillows like these for like $58. So definitely a steal. Impressed with the quality. They're so beautiful. I just want more colorways. I have this scarf in a different color combination, pink one, but I saw this really pretty cool tone pastel combo and I had to get it. It was so affordable on Prime Day, and still affordable. It's under 20 bucks. And it's a total dupe for the Acme Studio scarf that's like $200. This one was $19, and it's just so pretty, so soft. I love wearing these with just like chunky sweaters or coats. Okay, I'm calling it now. This is my top recommendation for toddlers this year, whether you're a mom or you're gifting to a mom of a toddler. These are so fun. Okay, it comes in 3 different colors, and you might just look at it and think, oh, cute little toy bus. Wrong. It's not only a toy and cute, but it's functional because it's a water bottle. That's so cute. So this is my nephew's, but we've been using this one for Olivia. It's actually full of water right now. It doesn't spill unless it's open like this, so they're able to play with it. The wheels roll. It comes with a carrying little lanyard. Yo, these are so inexpensive. They are the cutest thing I've ever seen. I would have loved one of these when I was a kid. They're like the perfect little toddler gift for a birthday or simply for Christmas. I highly recommend. I will definitely be talking about these again. I'm taking my Christmas card pictures this week because I think I'll be too pregnant later on, and I'm really happy with that decision because my bump is just growing exponentially by the minute. The point is, I've been seeing this on TikTok where people take this pearl cover up. It's like a mesh. I don't know if y'all can see. It's so beautiful. So they take this cover up. It's long sleeves and then a maxi dress basically, and you wear some sort of dress underneath. So a lot of people do like a strapless, either light blue, light pink, or just white underneath, and then they put this over it for their baby shower. So I thought this would be perfect for our Christmas cards because it's like glam enough for like a Christmas photo shoot. But I'll let you guys know, this was like $40. I got a size medium, and it's really, really beautiful. If you're a bride, this would be beautiful for a bachelorette as well. This is really pretty, but I need to figure out how I'm gonna style it. I got a few random things for the kitchen that I thought I would share quickly. The first thing, I fell for it on Prime Day and it ended up being on sale all the time. It's this stove top cover. They have different wooden options. We went for the bamboo because it's the lightest wood that they have. It makes your kitchen look so much more high-end and put together. I know that's weird to say, but it's also very functional. I feel like it doubles as a cutting board. When you're having people over, you can set up stuff on your stovetop and still look like really nice. Cheese board, appetizers, things like that. Huge. So I would definitely recommend measuring your stovetop, just like you would think it's universal, but it might not be. So measure it and then check the dimensions on the website. The other thing is what they're calling this like Lazy Susan or something. It's like a Lazy Susan, but it flips the entire way, the front and in the back of the fridge, and then you can flip it all the way to see what sauces or condiments or whatever you have in the back too. I think this is amazing. The price is really good too. I've been needing something like this for a while just because I feel like things are always falling through the back of the fridge and I never know what we have, so I'm always buying doubles. Great gift idea for mom or grandma. I am definitely getting this for my parents. I haven't dyed my hair in over a year, and I feel like we've gotten to the point where you can definitely tell that my extensions don't match my hair. So I got two different products to avoid going to the hair salon. The first thing is this lightening spray. It's by John Frieda and it's like a Go Blonder, think like a grown-up version of Sun-In. Oh my god, the self-tanner on my hands is so horrid. Okay, please ignore. Anyway, $12 on Amazon, and you just like spray it on your hair and you apply some sort of heat, so either like a blow dryer or you wait until it air dries, you go in the sun, and it really, really works. I used to use this in college before I ever dyed my hair, and it definitely worked. So I've only done it once so far, but I'm excited to see the results. Then the other thing is new to me. My favorite way to get my hair to look kind of like ginger-ish since dyeing it has been through these type of hair masks. This one is new, the peach color by Maria Nilla Stockholm. A lot of people are recommending this over on TikTok, so I thought I would give it a try. The peach is definitely like an in-between between like a copper, an auburn, and a blonde, so I thought it would be perfect for my hair, but I haven't tried it out yet. I will try it tonight. This is by far one of my favorite brands just ever. I feel like their stuff just screams philo, you know, like it screams my office. So I decided to treat myself to two things. I got this little tray, just of sardines, and don't ask me why I thought this was the coolest thing ever. I've just been putting it like by my desk. I always take off my rings and my jewelry when I'm typing, so I thought I would just keep it there. That's a pop of color and it's just so funky and fun. And then the other funky thing that I got is this match holder that looks like a cake. I don't know why, I thought this was just like the coolest thing ever. You just put your matches and they look like candles. But I'm pretty sure you can also do incense because it has a hole in the middle, so you do you. Okay, the next thing is actually something I'm wearing. This is another Free People alternative from Amazon, which at this point, I swear Amazon has like the exact same stuff as Free People for like half the price, so I'll take it. It's this like polo, I call it like a rugby pullover. Probably not the right term, but I got the purple and white version, and it's so cute. It's oversized. I got a size medium because I'm pregnant, but I love it. I think it's perfect for the fall, the winter, and the spring, as long as you can wear it and not melt to death. But it's so cute. So it was like half the price of the Free People one. It looks and feels the same. I'm really happy with it. I really want to get the red. I said this in all my Prime Day recommendations, but I have like a ton of baby showers coming up, so I got a ton of their Registry things on sale. So I thought I would share some of the things that came in. I'm not going to take them out of the boxes for obvious reasons, but this is a stroller cup and phone holder, a must-have if you don't have it. Then she wanted this like Munchkin dishwasher container. I think this is great for like bottles, pacifiers. I truly think it was like one of my first time on mistakes getting the sterilizers and the things where you could just throw them in the dishwasher. So I also grabbed one of these for myself. Another thing from her registry was this thing. It's like a vertical bottle drying rack. I fell for like the cuteness and I got the one that looks like grass, and it was kind of gross, looked very off in our kitchen. I love the fact that this one is vertical, so like it doesn't take as much horizontal counter space, but it still fits a ton. I might just wait and see if like we even need some of like something like this, because like I said, 4 months in that the dishwasher was my best friend, so stick to that and dry them there. But I got her this. Ah, I gotta cut myself. I also grabbed one of these, one for her and one for me, because Olivia's, my mom, broke it. But y'all, this is a game changer. You don't need a wipe warmer, you just need a wipe dispenser. So this one comes with this weighted part right here, and it closes shut. I don't know if y'all can hear it clicking. So glad we have it back. We replaced it. It's very inexpensive. I got her more stuff, but I think I'm gonna save like my actual baby must-haves for a whole video. I still don't think I'm gonna do a baby shower. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I know a lot of you wanted me to do one, but like I just don't have the energy, the time, or the mental motivation for it. Even if we don't host it at our house, which like I feel like it would just be the best place to do it, it would still be too much. Like between the holidays coming up and then like me knowing I'm gonna be too pregnant after the holidays, too much. And like a lot of my friends are first-time moms that are pregnant, so it's just like bad timing. And I don't mean that in like a bad way. I think like it's just not for me. I also don't want more stuff. So what I'm gonna do is what I started doing on my Amazon shop, which is the things that we're buying for baby number 2, because we already have so many things, thankfully, from Olivia that we can reuse. So I'll do a video like that, but that's my whole spiel about baby showers. So guys, that's everything for today's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a big thumbs up. I have an Amazon bestsellers coming right up, because so many exciting things were like bestsellers this past few months that I haven't talked about. So I'll do that very soon. Stay tuned and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.